At our facilities at Charter, we honor 40 years of manufacturing mastery. At Charter Enterprise, every masterpiece begins with the raw potential of quality materials. Our journey starts here with uncompromising standards right from the source. From the receipt of raw goods to the final assembly, every step at Charter Enterprise is defined by our passion for quality. We uphold a legacy of manufacturing excellence. Traditional techniques are seamlessly integrated with the latest advancements: robotic welding, precision laser cutting, and expert polishing, ensuring every product meets our uncompromising standards. Each stage of production is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Our advanced technology works in harmony with skilled hands, creating products that are as beautiful as they are durable. Our robust system of quality control leaves nothing to chance. With cutting-edge software, vigilant QC stations, expert staff, rigorous audits, and comprehensive surveillance, we ensure that every product not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. The journey from individual parts to a finished product is a carefully orchestrated performance. Every barbecue grill and commercial cooking equipment piece is assembled with meticulous care, reflecting our promise that quality comes first at every step, every time. We stand as a pillar of excellence in metal manufacturing, where every product tells a story of precision, innovation, and over 4 decades of unmatched experience. At Charter Enterprise, quality is not just a standard, it's our promise. Join us in celebrating the art of metal manufacturing, where tradition meets technology and every detail matters.